As summer bids us farewell and the first hints of autumn appear, we prepare for a season filled with vibrant foliage, crisp air, and cozy moments. Fall 2024 is set to bring a mix of weather patterns, from warm days to chilly evenings, along with the chance to indulge in seasonal activities and explore nature's splendor. This comprehensive fall forecast will guide you through the upcoming months, highlighting key weather trends, regional variations, and tips to fully embrace the beauty of autumn. 1. Overview of fall weather patterns. Fall weather is characterized by its variability, with temperatures that can swing from warm to cold within a single day and weather patterns that shift rapidly. For 2024, meteorologists predict a mix of typical autumn conditions with some unexpected twists. Understanding these general trends will help you plan your activities and wardrobe accordingly. Expect a combination of sunny days, rainy periods, and the gradual arrival of frosty mornings as the season progresses. This year's fall will also see significant regional differences, influenced by larger climatic patterns like El Niño. While some areas may enjoy extended periods of warmth, others could face early cold snaps or increased precipitation. Staying informed about these patterns will be crucial for making the most of your autumn, whether you're planning outdoor adventures, agricultural activities, or simply preparing your home for the cooler months ahead. 2. Temperature trends. In 2024, fall temperatures are expected to be slightly above average in many regions, especially during the early part of the season. This means that September and early October might still feel like a late extension of summer, with warm days perfect for outdoor activities. As October progresses, however, temperatures will begin to cool, with northern areas experiencing this shift more rapidly than the south. By November, the chill will be more pronounced, particularly in higher latitudes and elevations. This gradual transition will provide a delightful mix of warm, sunny days and cooler, crisp evenings, ideal for enjoying the changing leaves and autumnal festivities. Be prepared for the eventual need for sweaters and jackets as the season moves toward winter. 3. Precipitation forecast. Precipitation patterns this fall will vary significantly by region, reflecting the diverse climatic influences across the continent. The East Coast is expected to see above-average rainfall, particularly in the form of autumn storms that could bring heavy rain and gusty winds. This could lead to beautiful foliage displays but also requires preparation for potential flooding in low-lying areas. In contrast, the Midwest and Great Plains might experience drier than normal conditions, which could affect agricultural activities and the natural landscape. The Pacific Northwest will continue its tradition of frequent showers, while the Southwest faces continued drought concerns. Staying updated with local forecasts and being prepared for sudden changes in weather will be key to navigating these varied precipitation trends. 4. Regional forecast, Northeast. The Northeast is renowned for its stunning fall foliage, and 2024 promises to deliver another spectacular display. Expect vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows to peak in late October, particularly in New England. Cooler than average temperatures will enhance the colors, creating a breathtaking backdrop for outdoor activities like hiking and scenic drives. As the season progresses, temperatures will drop further, with frosty mornings becoming common in November. Occasional early snowfall in higher elevations is possible, signaling the approaching winter. It's a great time to explore the region's charming towns and cozy up in rustic inns, enjoying the quintessential autumn experience. 5. Regional forecast, Southeast. In the Southeast, temperatures will remain warm well into October, providing a lingering taste of summer. This region is expected to experience above-average rainfall, especially along the Gulf Coast, so prepare for wet conditions interspersed with sunny, pleasant days. These showers can enhance the local foliage, offering vibrant and lush landscapes. By November, a gradual cooling trend will set in, bringing more comfortable temperatures and less humidity. This makes it an ideal time to explore the region's natural beauty, from the Appalachian Mountains to the coastal plains. Enjoy outdoor festivals, farmers markets, and scenic drives without the extreme heat of summer. 6. Regional forecast, Midwest. The Midwest is set to experience a typical fall, with a gradual transition from warm, mild days in September to cooler, crisper conditions by November. Early autumn will be characterized by pleasant weather, perfect for harvest festivals, apple picking, and other seasonal activities. Expect moderate rainfall, which will help to sustain the region's lush landscapes. As the season progresses, temperatures will steadily decline, with the first frosts appearing in late October and early November. The Great Lakes region may even see early snowfall, hinting at the winter to come. This period is ideal for enjoying the changing leaves and preparing for the colder months ahead. 7. Regional forecast. Southwest. The Southwest will continue to experience warm temperatures throughout the fall, with cooler evenings providing a welcome respite from the summer heat. Rainfall will be below average, maintaining the region's typically dry conditions. This is a prime time to enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and exploring national parks. However, the persistent dry weather means that the risk of wildfires remains a concern. Residents and visitors should stay vigilant about fire safety and follow local advisories. The clear, dry days will also offer excellent opportunities for stargazing and enjoying the unique desert landscapes. 8. Regional forecast. Pacific Northwest. The Pacific Northwest will see its usual mix of rain and mild temperatures this fall. Frequent showers and cooler days will characterize the season, particularly as it progresses into November. This region's famous fall foliage will be on full display, making it a great time for scenic drives and hikes through lush forests and coastal areas. While the rain may limit some outdoor activities, it also creates a cozy atmosphere perfect for exploring local coffee shops, bookstores, and cultural venues. The Pacific Northwest's natural beauty and vibrant cities offer plenty of indoor and outdoor activities to enjoy during this season. 9. Regional forecast. Mountain West. In the Mountain West, temperatures will cool rapidly as autumn progresses, with early snowfall likely in higher elevations. The region will experience a mix of sunny days and stormy weather, making it perfect for those who enjoy a dynamic and unpredictable autumn season. Early autumn offers excellent hiking and outdoor exploration opportunities before the snow sets in. As the season advances, ski resorts in places like Colorado and Utah will begin to open, attracting winter sports enthusiasts. Prepare for a true alpine autumn with vibrant foliage, crisp air, and the anticipation of the winter sports season. It's a great time to explore mountain towns and enjoy the stunning vistas. 10. Regional forecast. California. California will have varied fall conditions, with Southern California staying warm and dry, while Northern California experiences cooler temperatures and more rain. The state's diverse landscapes offer different seasonal experiences, from beach days in the south to wine tasting in Napa Valley. The risk of wildfires continues, particularly in the drier southern regions, so caution is advised. Despite this, the fall season in California offers numerous opportunities for outdoor activities, cultural events, and exploring the state's natural beauty. Whether you're hiking in the Sierra Nevada or enjoying coastal views, there's something for everyone. 11. Impact of El Niño. El Niño conditions are expected to influence fall weather patterns this year, particularly in the southern United States. This phenomenon typically brings warmer and wetter conditions, which could result in heavier rainfall and increased storm activity in affected regions. For the Southwest and parts of the Southeast, this means staying prepared for unusual weather events. Understanding the impact of El Niño will help you plan your fall activities and travel. It's a good idea to keep an eye on long-term forecasts and be ready for unexpected weather changes. Whether you're preparing your home for heavy rains or adjusting your travel plans, staying informed will ensure a smoother season. 12. Hurricane season update. Hurricane season extends into November, and the Atlantic and Gulf Coast regions should remain vigilant. Above-average sea surface temperatures could fuel stronger storms, making it essential to stay updated on hurricane forecasts and preparedness plans. Residents in these areas should review their emergency kits and evacuation routes. Even if you don't live in a hurricane-prone area, understanding the broader impacts of these storms is important. Hurricanes can affect travel plans, disrupt supply chains, and cause widespread damage. Stay informed and take necessary precautions to protect yourself and your loved ones during this extended hurricane season. 13. Fall foliage predictions. Fall foliage enthusiasts are in for a treat this year, with vibrant displays expected across many regions. Peak foliage times will vary, with the Northeast and Upper Midwest seeing the most stunning colors in mid to late October. Southern regions will follow with later peak times, providing a prolonged season of colorful landscapes. Plan your leaf-peeping trips accordingly to catch the best views. Whether you're driving through the Appalachian Mountains, hiking in the Rockies, or exploring local parks, the changing leaves offer a beautiful backdrop for outdoor activities. Don't forget your camera to capture the stunning fall scenery. 14. Agricultural outlook. Farmers and gardeners can expect a productive fall season, with above-average temperatures extending the growing season in many areas. This means more time for harvesting late-season crops and preparing fields for winter. However, varying precipitation patterns mean that irrigation and water management will be crucial for crop success. In regions experiencing drier conditions, conserving water and using efficient irrigation techniques will be vital. Conversely, areas with higher rainfall should prepare for potential flooding and soil erosion. Overall, staying adaptable and informed about local conditions will help ensure a bountiful harvest and successful fall gardening season. 15. Wildlife activity. Fall is a busy time for wildlife as animals prepare for winter. Deer, bears, and other wildlife will be more active, so take precautions if you're spending time in nature. Secure food and trash to avoid attracting animals, and be aware of hunting seasons in your area. Birdwatchers will enjoy the migration season, with many species passing through on their way south. Set up feeders and bird baths to attract a variety of birds to your yard, and consider participating in local birdwatching events. The changing season offers unique opportunities to observe wildlife behaviors and appreciate nature. 16. Preparing for cooler weather. As temperatures drop, it's essential to prepare your home and wardrobe for the cooler weather. Ensure your heating system is in good working order by scheduling a maintenance check. Seal any drafts in windows and doors to keep your home warm and energy efficient. Stock up on warm clothing, including layers, to stay comfortable as the weather changes. Preparing your home and garden for winter is equally important. Clean out gutters to prevent water damage, and consider winterizing outdoor faucets to avoid freezing pipes. For garden enthusiasts, now is the time to plant bulbs for spring, rake leaves into compost piles, and protect delicate plants from frost. 17. Seasonal health tips. The changing weather can have a significant impact on your health. Boost your immune system by maintaining a healthy diet rich in vitamins and minerals, getting regular exercise, and staying hydrated. With cooler temperatures, it's also important to stay warm and dress in layers to avoid catching a cold. As flu season approaches, consider getting a flu shot to protect yourself and those around you. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands frequently and avoiding close contact with sick individuals. If you start feeling under the weather, take time to rest and recover to prevent more severe illnesses. 18. Outdoor activities. Fall is a great time for outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and camping. Take advantage of the cooler weather and stunning scenery to explore nature. Plan your outings carefully, keeping in mind the shorter daylight hours and the need for appropriate clothing and gear. Always check the weather forecast before heading out and be prepared for sudden changes. Layer your clothing to stay warm and dry, and pack essentials like water, snacks, and a first aid kit. Autumn's natural beauty makes it the perfect season for outdoor adventures, so get out and enjoy the fresh air. 19. Fall festivals and events. Many regions host fall festivals celebrating the harvest, local culture, and seasonal traditions. These events are great opportunities to enjoy local food, crafts, and entertainment. From pumpkin patches and corn mazes to Oktoberfest celebrations and apple festivals, there are plenty of activities to enjoy. Check local listings for events in your area and plan to join in the fun. Attending fall festivals is a fantastic way to support local businesses and enjoy community spirit. Whether you're sampling seasonal treats or participating in traditional games and activities, these festivals offer something for everyone. 20. Travel destinations. Fall is a fantastic time to travel, with many destinations offering beautiful scenery and fewer crowds. Consider visiting national parks, scenic byways, and charming small towns. Popular fall travel destinations include New England for its spectacular foliage, the Rocky Mountains for crisp air and mountain views, and the Pacific Northwest for its lush forests. Planning a fall getaway allows you to experience the best of what the season has to offer. Enjoy hiking through colorful landscapes, exploring historic sites, and savoring seasonal cuisine. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, fall travel provides a perfect blend of both. 21. Gardening tips. Fall is an important time for gardeners, with tasks like planting bulbs, raking leaves, and preparing beds for winter. Take advantage of the cooler weather to do some maintenance and get your garden ready for the next growing season. Planting spring bulbs now ensures a beautiful display of flowers when the weather warms up. Composting leaves and garden debris creates valuable organic matter for your soil. Protecting delicate plants from frost with mulch or covers can help them survive the winter. Fall gardening also involves pruning trees and shrubs to promote healthy growth and prevent damage during winter storms. 22. Fall recipes. Autumn is the season for comfort food, with hearty soups, stews, and baked goods taking center stage. Embrace seasonal ingredients like pumpkins, apples, and root vegetables to create delicious and warming meals. From pumpkin pies and apple crisps to savory dishes like butternut squash soup, fall recipes bring the flavors of the season to your table. Cooking with seasonal produce not only enhances the taste of your dishes but also supports local farmers. Hosting a fall-themed dinner party or potluck can be a fun way to share these seasonal delights with friends and family. Enjoying homemade comfort food is one of the best parts of autumn. 23. Home decor ideas. Bring the beauty of fall into your home with seasonal decor. Think cozy blankets, autumnal wreaths, and pumpkin centerpieces. Simple touches like scented candles with aromas of cinnamon, apple, and clove can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Decorating your home for fall doesn't have to be elaborate. Even small changes can make a big impact. Consider adding seasonal accents to your living spaces, such as throw pillows in fall colors, rustic decorations, and nature-inspired elements like pine cones and dried leaves. Creating a cozy environment at home makes it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the season's comforts. 24. Safety tips. As the days get shorter and the weather becomes more unpredictable, it's important to stay safe. Ensure your home is well lit both inside and out to prevent accidents. When driving, be cautious of wet or icy roads and reduced visibility. Always keep an emergency kit in your car and at home, including essentials like blankets, flashlights, and non-perishable food. Taking these precautions can help you navigate the challenges of the season with confidence. If you're planning outdoor activities, inform someone of your plans and expected return time. Staying prepared and vigilant will ensure you and your loved ones remain safe throughout the fall. 25. Family activities. Fall is a great season for family activities, from apple picking and hayrides to pumpkin carving and leaf peeping. Plan some fun outings and projects that everyone can enjoy, creating lasting memories together. Visiting a local farm, hosting a backyard bonfire, or simply taking a walk in the park to enjoy the changing leaves can be wonderful ways to bond as a family. These activities not only provide entertainment but also offer educational opportunities. Teach children about the changing seasons, nature, and the importance of spending time outdoors. Embrace the spirit of autumn by participating in activities that bring joy and togetherness to your family. Conclusion. Fall 2024 promises to be a season of dynamic weather patterns, vibrant foliage, and endless opportunities for enjoyment and preparation. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, you can make the most of this enchanting season. Whether you're planning outdoor adventures, cozying up at home, or exploring new destinations, fall offers a wealth of experiences to savor. Embrace the beauty and warmth of autumn, and create memorable moments with loved ones as you navigate through this captivating season.